got it, babe.
No, it's not.
Group count. 3, 2, 1, jump.
My lord. She's freaking out.
Look at her holding on to that. I'm going backwards. From everyone's reaction, I see backwards. I thought I was going to die when I went backwards. I should have went first. Now I'm getting more and more nervous. Well, I could have gone first. I could have gone second, but not first.
She's just like, I'm not gonna let go at all. Come on. Does she know how to clip it in?
You would have done that if I bought you a ticket.
No. Are you kidding? Dude, no. Yeah. Were you thinking about it?